Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell the solution of fourth problem from exercise 8.1 from NCERT class 9. Show that the diagonals of a square are equal and bisect each other at right angles. So let ABCD be a square and AC and BD are diagonals, and we know that all sides of square are equal, so AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. Here we have to prove that first one, diagonals of a square are equal, so we have to prove that AC is equal to BD, and next one, bisect each other. Diagonals bisect each other means we have to prove that OA is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD. And next, diagonals bisect each other at right angles. That means we have to prove that angle AOB is equal to angle AOD. These two angles is equal to 90 degrees. First, we have to prove that AC is equal to BD. That means diagonals of the square are equal. If you observe, AC and BD are sides of these two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle BAD. So take these two triangles. In triangle ABC and triangle BAD, AB is equal to BA. This is the common side of these two triangles, and angle B is equal to angle A is equal to 90 degrees. So we know that each angle in square is 90 degrees. So angle B is the angle of this triangle and angle A is the angle of this triangle, and BC is equal to AD. BC is equal to AD. These two are sides of these two triangles, and all sides are equal in square, so these two are equal. So triangle ABC is congruent to triangle BAD by SAS congruence rule, because side angle side of this triangle are equal to side angle side of this triangle. So AC is equal to BD by CPCT. Then we can equal these two diagonals because these two are corresponding parts of these two triangles. So we can say the diagonals of a square are equal. Next one, we have to prove the diagonals bisect each other. That means we have to prove that OA is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD. If you observe, OA, OC and OB, OD are parts of these two triangles. So take these two triangles, triangle OAB and triangle OCD. Angle AOB is equal to angle COD. These two angles are vertically opposite angles, those are equal. And AB is parallel to DC because square is a parallelogram, so these two sides are parallel, and AC is a transversal line. Then these two angles are alternative interior angles, those are equal. So angle OAB is equal to angle OCD. OAB is equal to angle OCD. So these two angles are equal, and AB is equal to CD or DC because these two sides are equals. In square all sides are equal, so these two sides are equal. So triangle OAB is congruent to triangle OCD by AAS congruence rule because angle side of this triangle are equal to angle side of this triangle. Once these two triangles are congruent, we can equal the corresponding parts of these two triangles. So OA is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD by CPCT, or we can say that diagonals bisect to each other. Third one, we have to prove that diagonals bisect at right angles. That means we have to prove that these two angles are 90 degrees. So these two angles are parts of these two triangles. So take these two triangles. In triangle AOB and AOD, AB is equal to AD because sides of square are equal, and OA is equal to OA. This is the common side of these two triangles, and OB is equal to OD because diagonals bisect to each other. Just now we have proved this. So we can say that triangle AOB is congruent to triangle AOD by SSS congruence rule. Side, 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 and here side, side, side. Therefore, these two triangles are congruent. We can equal the corresponding parts of these two triangles. So angle AOB is equal to angle AOD by CPCT. Now we have to prove that these two angles are 90 degrees. So if you observe here, there is a linear pair. So angle AOB plus angle AOD is equal to 180 degrees. But these two angles are equal. So instead of angle AOD, we can write angle AOB. So 2 angle AOB is equal to 180 and angle AOB is equal to 180 by 2, that is 90 degrees. So angle AOB is equal to angle AOD is equal to 90 degrees, or diagonals bisect at right angles. By using the square properties, do this exercise. and you can check the answers.